Hey, what's going on everybody? Frank here. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please like this video. It helps quite a bit. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the water pressure in your home. So let me start by asking if any of you know what the water pressure is in your home. If you don't, I definitely would recommend getting one of these water pressure test gauges. So these test gauges are probably like $10 and they're very helpful for various reasons. If you are having an issue in your home, for example, you have a short appliance life from a dishwasher, a washing machine, a hot water tank, or if you notice the pressure relief valve on your hot water tank is popping off periodically and draining water, or if you notice that when you turn a spigot on, you get a burst of pressure that disappears very quickly. Those are all signs that you may be having an issue somewhere. Not to mention, if your water bills are usually very high, you can turn your water pressure down. Your shower may not feel as good, but you won't go through as much water when you shower and wash dishes, etc. So again, for probably $10, one of these water pressure test gauges is a great purchase because most homes do not have a water pressure gauge hard piped into their system anywhere. The thing that's nice about these, you can buy them, thread them onto a hose bib or even a utility sink and leave it on overnight. And with this red indicator arm that's on here, it'll tell you how high your water pressure gets up to whenever no water has been used overnight, say. So that way, if there is an issue that might not be immediately apparent when you put this on, you'll know a little bit later on. So I actually ran into that same issue. I actually had a problem with, I didn't have an expansion tank in my home on our hot water tank, and it created issues with the thermal cycles of the hot water tank. So I'm definitely kind of an advocate for buying one of these water pressure test gauges because it helps, and they're only $10, and it's just nice to know what your water pressure is. The water pressure in my house is about 70 psi, and I'd say that's about average. It might be a little bit higher, but in general, some regulators don't go much higher than that in a residential setting. So it's just kind of worth mentioning that it's something to find out more about your house, to understand it, and it's always good information to have. So again, definitely recommend getting one of these. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you'd like to buy one, definitely check them out because you won't regret it. It's just good information. So I thought I'd make this video, try and give you guys a little bit of good info about maybe something with your homes that you hadn't thought of. So definitely check this out and think about it. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.